Hello, everybody. You all are welcome in Pecunary Capital Saga. Today, we will discuss on the fundamentals of shares that shares you can buy for long term and please follow us for good returns and safe returns. First one is Tata Motors Limited. You can buy it at current market price, that is nearby 519, and price target is 610. And company description: Tata Motors manufactures cars and commercial automotive vehicles. The company designs, manufactures and sells heavy, medium and small CVs including trucks, tankers, vans, buses, ambulances and minibuses. Tata Motors also manufactures small cars and sports utility vehicles. The company is a leading CV manufacturer in India. Tata Motors acquired Jaguar and Land Rover brands in 2008. Sorry, and Jaguar and Land Rover brands merged to form one unified company in 2013. Key investment arguments: we maintain a buy on Tata Motors with an unchanged PT of rupees 610, as we expect the company will deliver strong operational performance from H2 financial year 2020 onwards across its business divisions. Tata Motors Limited Q2 financial year 2020 results were below expectations, impacted by chips shortage. JLR's operational performance was better on back of favorable mix and lower fixed costs. Tata Motors' overall performance is expected to improve gradually from H2 FY 2020 as the global chips shortage is expected to ease. Further, the domestic CV and PV businesses are expected to remain robust going forward. Tata Motors to become earnings positive in financial year 2020 and a 64.8% YOY PAT growth in FY 2023 driven by a 16.7% revenue CAGR during FY 2021 to financial year 2023 and a 120 BPS improvement in EBITDA margin to 13.4% in financial year 23 from 12.2% in financial year 2021. Now come on Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. You can also buy the Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Its current price is nearby 960. Price target is 1148. And company description is sorry. Mahindra and Mahindra is the flagship company of Mahindra Group. Mahindra and Mahindra's core business houses the automotive and tractor segments. Mahindra and Mahindra is the only automotive company that is virtually present across all segments. The company is the market leader in LCVs and is a leading UV and three-wheeler 3W player. Mahindra and Mahindra also manufactures medium and heavy commercial vehicles and is present in the two-wheeler space through its investment in Java, apart from being a strong player in the automotive space. Mahindra and Mahindra is the market leader in the tractor segment, having a market share of about 40%, and that is the good. Now its key investment arguments are: we retain a buy rating on Mahindra and Mahindra with a revised PT of rupees 1148, factoring positive outlook for its core businesses and improving performance of key subsidiary companies. Q2 by financial year 2020 results were mixed with the revenue beats estimates while EBITDA margin mixed expectations. Adjusted standalone PAT increased by 28.6% YOY. We firmly believe that Mahindra & Mahindra is on track with its roadmap for the automotive and farm equipment division. The company plans its farm business to be 10 multiplied by financial year 2027 by strengthen its UB segments by adding 30 new products by financial year 2027 The stock trades a PE multiple of 19 times and EV data multiple of 10.7 times its financial year 2023 estimates. Now comes on Ipca Laboratories Limited. You can buy nearby 2155 at current market price and price target is 2675. Company description is Ipca is a fully integrated Indian pharmaceutical company, manufactures more than 350 formulations and 80 APIs for various therapeutic segments. Ipca is a therapy leader in India for anti-malaria with a market share of over 34% and a fast growing presence in the international market as well. The company has leading brands in 5 therapeutic areas with 3 of its branded formulations being ranked among the top 300 Indian brands by ORG-IMS. Key investment arguments are Ipca Laboratories Limited reported operationally in line results for Q2 financial year 2020 and a performance was driven by a double-digit growth in the India formulations business. Ipca had earlier guided by a 16 to 18% growth in domestic formulations in financial year 2020 and based on the strong performance in Q2, the management expects to outpace guidance. The management commentary was mixed, pointing at possible near-term challenges for the API business and expected escalation in raw material and logistics costs. Despite near-term concerns, long-term growth levers for Ipca are intact and hence be retained by recommendation on the stock with a revised PT of rupees 2,675. Now comes on Insecticides India Limited. You can buy at the current market price, that is around 652 and price target is 900. Company description: Insecticides India Limited is India's leading and one of the fast growing agrochemical companies. The company has emerged as a frontline performer in India's crop care market and is all set to grow impressively. The company has more than 1000 plus formulations products and 22 technical products and manufactures all types of insecticides, bidicides, fungicides and PGRs for all types of crops and households. The company owns the pesticides Tractors brand, which is highly popular among farmers. The umbrella brand of its agro products such as Lethal, Victor, Monosil, Explode, Hijack, Pulsar and Hakama signifies Insecticides India Limited deep connections with farmers. Key investment arguments: robust Q2 FY 2020 result as PAT of Rupee 42 crore, flat YOY, beat over estimates by 22%, led by better than expected OPM of 14.5%, up 179 BPS YOY and 235 BPS above our estimate, and marginally higher revenues. Stellar rise in margins was driven by strong revenue growths of 70% 29% YOY from high margin Maharatna category of branded products exports, largely offsetting 32% YOY fall in revenues from other branded products. Management guided for a revenue growth of over 10 to 15% 15% for FY 2020E FY 23E, led by completion of capacity expansions of Rajasthan, Gujarat in FY 2020 and robust export order book. Margin also expected to improve given 2 price hikes undertaken in October/November and ramp up of revenues from high margin new generations products. We maintain buy on Insecticide India with an unchanged PT of Rupee 900 as we expect a strong 29% PAT CAGR over FY 21 to FY 24E. ROE of 18% and strong balance sheets. Valuation of 7.3 multiply 5.7 multiply its financial year 23E to financial year 20E. EPS is attractive. Now let's come on Repco Home Finance study. You can buy it as current market price, that is nearby 294 and price target is 344. Company description is Repco, promoted by Repco Banks, hold 37.13% stake, is a housing finance company with a strong concentration in South India, especially Tamil Nadu, and was incorporated in April 2000. As at the end of September 2021, Repco was operating through 153 branches and 24 satellite centers in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, West Bengal and Pondicherry. Key investment arguments are: for Q2 financial year 2020, PAT beat estimates rising by 6% YOY to rupees 86 crore. This was primarily due to strong NII growth up up by 9% YOY, and other income growth. Disbursements, which were soft in quarter 1, grew robustly in quarter 2, up 4% YOY and 102% QOQ. Gross stage 3 and net stage 3 assets stood at 4.3% and 2.4%, down by 11 bps QOQ, and down by 50 bps QOQ respectively. We maintain our buy rating with a revised price target of rupees 344. Now come on B Tech Bawak Limited. You can buy it as current market price or nearby 355, and price target is 435. Company discretion. BA Tech Bawak is known for its innovative and successful solutions in the water engineering sector around the globe. The company is a systems specialist and full service provider focusing on the planning, installation and operations of drinking and wastewater plants for local government and industry in growth markets of Asia, North Africa, Middle East and Central and Eastern Europe. The company represents a leading multinational player with a workforce of over 1600 and has companies and offices in more than 20 countries. Key investment arguments are: we maintain buy on Batak Wawak with unchanged PT of rupee 435, considering strong order book and healthy balance sheet. Q2 financial year 2020 revenue was broadly in line, while OPM surprised positively as the company expedites execution, increasing net debit to protect margins. Order inflow rose 3 times YOY for H1 FY 2022. Order book at rupees 10,041 crore is 3.2 multiplied its TTM revenue, providing healthy revenue visibility. Order pipeline in domestic and overseas markets remain buoyant. The company expects to conclude 3 orders in Middle East and similar in domestic markets in H2. Now comes on Finolex Cables Limited. Strong, basically, you can buy it as current market price, that is around 587. Price target is 734, and company description is: Finolex is India's largest and leading manufacturers of electrical and communications cables. The company offers a wide range of electrical and communications cables. The company's wire and cable products are used in applications such as automobile, lighting, cable TV, telephone and computers, to industrial applications touching every person in daily life. Finolex has added electrical switches, LED based lamps, fans, low voltage MCBs and water heaters to its product range. Key investment arguments: we retain our buy rating on Finolex Cables Limited with a revised PT of rupees 734, factoring upwardly revised estimates. Finolex reported strong outperformance on both revenue and OPM front in Q2 financial year 2020. Working capital days reduced QOQ while cash rose. We expect a strong demand environment to sustain, added by real estate and auto and increasing tractions in FMEG products. The company is planning to increase capacity by on third by FY 2020, and the company's healthy operating cash flow generation, tight working capital management and limited capex are expected to further build up on its cash reserves. And that's it. Thank you. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thank you.